Today is Wednesday. There's no news today. What do we see? Yesterday we pretty much just ended up consolidating. But right now there's a few confluences I believe that could be getting tapped. We do have this market structure, market maker sell model. After this low gets taken, price is pushing down at open towards this previous day low, which is also sell side liquidity from New York AM. If we go on regular trading hours, we see that this huge gap right here could pose a good draw on liquidity to then possibly push our way back up. But it's still unsure if price wants to just push over to retrace most of this or not. Could end up just continuing down through this. If we go on the 1 hour, we see we could possibly tap this equilibrium right here, this low to that high, seeing as this is an overnight session, or we could continue lower. Yeah, there is a lot of movement going on. If you go to the 5 minute, you just sweep this low. And previous day low. We just took out previous day low. Just good sell side liquidity. All this low resistance was taken right here. This low was taken as well. So you could end up getting some sort of market structure shift, but we're obviously gonna have to be patient. See if price wants to make an SMT or not. Who really knows? But I'll update you guys. We are also below true day open at 8:30 a.m. So we're gonna wait until this poses as a Judas swing, and see how price can react off of that. Find these closer. This 15-minute fair value gap is below this sell side liquidity, which is this new week opening gap on the regular trading hours. Could be a useful confluence. But I'll update you guys if I see some sort of trade or not. Buddy, so I'm looking at the lower time frames. The 5 minute, we're pushing our way up. We still have not inversed this 5 minute fair value gap, which is giving a bit of confluence to go lower since we just tapped into this order block as well. The 15 minute closed very with a huge rejection wick. The 1 minute itself did form a market structure shift with a small little candle breaker right here, which price could end up tapping into and respecting in this little gap. So that is something that would be good to see, of course. But if you were to take this up to some liquidity, we could be able to, but I'm not very sure since we didn't end up forming any sort of market structure shift on the higher time frame. It would be up in this area. Oops. If we were to this 0.5 level aligns pretty well, I guess, with the rejection block of the 15 minute. 5-minute might want to make a fair value gap right there, which could be useful in entering. See, ES itself is respecting this breaker pretty well. So yeah, I mean, draws do seem like they want to go up more. NQ hasn't tapped the breaker at all. We've had this SMT, the previous day low. Low right here. But yeah, it's pretty big to try and understand where the market wants to go. It's not the easiest candle. But yeah, I'm not sure. Limit order on this. Could be possible. Could end up making this market structure shift on the ES, the higher time frame. And an entry at the 5-minute would be plausible. Looks like we end up doing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and set a limit here, just 2 contracts. Since we just made that market structure shift. Targets probably London high. Right up here. Might increase risk to 3 cons. Yeah, maybe just 3 cons right there. Targeting London high. We have the SMT. I don't know. 2527 850. All right, there we go. Higher time frame market structure shift. So Yeah, just what I'm looking for a trade. See if we can get that retracement possibly to this 5 minute aligned with this like breaker, I guess. This breaker. Yeah, something like that. It's a trade idea for the day. Uh, I'll update you guys with what happens. Yo, what's up, everybody? So, I'm in this trade right now. Took it at this fair value gap. Looks like price wanted to tap the 3 minute. We could get stopped. We genuinely could get stopped here on this trade. But hey, it's life, whatever. Was thinking I might just put my thing to close to like a 1-to-1. See if price wants to push its way up or not. SMT at these lows between ES and NQ, so could be useful. I mean, London high looks good. Oh, but these are like relative equal highs right here, so probably gonna take it out like there at the relative equal highs. Oops, equal buy side. Suffered some drawdown. Have to just see what price gives us. Probably take it out right there. Close to a 1-to-1. That's the trade I'm gonna be taking. Or I already took it, but you know. 15 minute. Tap the CE and even lower. See what price does. I'll update you guys. Tell y'all what happened. But yeah. So fucked up my bias. Dang it, man. Okay. I didn't even notice that we were inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, man. Didn't even blow my mind that we were on this shit, man. Just fucked up. God, that's fucking annoying. And the gap lower was the target for the day. Okay, you guys, I don't even know. I don't know what to do, but I mean, honestly, I have ideas for another trade. Like, I don't think price um I don't think price is done going up and down, you know? Like, it's just like, damn, man. We have this huge down wick. like I had ideas for shorts. It made sense too. It made sense to go short. I was just thinking of the internal model and shit, man. Like, dang it, bro. I had that idea. I had it. I still fucked up, boys. I still fucked up. Fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. This trade, I mean, I saw the market structure shift to the upside. Could have just taken. I mean, the 1 minute never retraced, so. But damn, that was an imbalance right there that I just missed. Just missed this 15-minute imbalance. Price respected it and pushed lower, man. Dang it! Messed up, guys. I messed up. Messed up on another trade. I keep losing. Oh, I don't think I never took it. I never took it on my actual account. Never logged in. Oh, okay. Just still, like, even with all these confluences, it still looks pretty dim to want to get a trade off this, you know? Like, price is just gonna keep going lower. We had good opportunities of entry right here. Boom. Fair value gap gets tapped. Shorts to to sell side. Dang it. That's hard, guys. That's really hard. It's very, very difficult. Looks like price just keep going down. Right, went right down to this gap. See on regular trading hours, you have this big gap. Strap liquidity. Push down to the gap. Sell side. It's looking like this could still go lower though. $100 stop loss is kind of wild. Yeah, it's not very clear anymore, guys. Price is just doing what it wants to do and just wanting to continue its way upwards. So, I don't know if we could even get another entry on this. It's good that we didn't trade on the actual funded, but still the loss always is gonna sting. Dang it. It's very difficult because throughout this range of 9 to 10 a.m. it's just a straight Judas swing, man. It is a straight Judas swing. And there is no entry. No entry at all. Boom, market structure shift, no entry. Boom. Pushing up to this inefficiency. In the 15-minute, this was a huge 15-minute fair value gap. Tapping that order block, even on the 1 hour. Boom, we tap the order block. Boom. Continue our way down. It is very, very difficult to even understand. But, yeah. This 5-minute we have this order block right there. Just a confluence I would take that as a trade, but price is not always going to do that. It's more likely that we would enter right there. Makes more sense. Order block. Could be an entry right there. Just based on the higher time frame. Higher time frame order block. Breaker as well. So who knows? Not really sure price would even want to push up in this level. Probably end of the day for the trading. Just dang it, I fuck up with these moves every time. I mess up. I mess up. It's always that clear early session bullshit that price does, man. It's just bullshit. Makes sense that we'd want to go lower too, you know? We have a lot of sell side liquidity at 4 hours right there. Daily order block is right here as well. Yeah, so it's very, 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 very difficult to fucking trade, isn't it? Fuck off. And it looks like we're just continuing to go fucking lower, man. Don't know how to wish anymore. Don't know how to wish anymore. I don't know. Baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more. Maybe the world is yours. Maybe the world is yours. Maybe when it rains, it pours. I don't know how to wish anymore. Don't know how to wish anymore. Don't know. Baby, you should wish him more. Maybe the world is yours. Maybe when it rains, it pours. I don't know how to wish anymore. Don't know how to wish. Sure, we can limit sell right there. See how the trade maybe plays out. That's what I'll probably set, but we'll see if this even hits or not. Yeah. Guys, so price did tap into this fucking thing very, very quickly. Um, literally the CE of this new week opening gap. So that's made me think that price could then reverse bullish again. Then again, we didn't really tap equilibrium of any of the range is yet. If we are to go, yeah, we didn't really tap equilibrium yet of any of these ranges, so I'm not entirely sure. So I still have this sell limit for just 2 contracts to go down. And then I have this buy limit just in case price wants to reverse before we get tapped in, since we did form a market structure shift with the fair value gap aligned with this order block and this breaker on the 3 minute. So that's like, I have 2 trade ideas since I was since I took a loss in the first time. So I mean, we'll have to see how price wants to react. Um, we could end up getting a tap into this sell limit first. Looks like price wants to push its way up. But again, even if we don't tap and we do push lower, I might cancel the buy limit just cause it doesn't seem very high confluence, seeing as I feel like the draw is lower just based on all the pushing bullish we've done in the past 2 days. So this sell limit I believe to be higher probability of getting tapped, possibly. So yeah. We're getting close here. It's like 11. So um so yeah, I don't really know. This is a 5 minute order block, by the way. That's why I'm taking the bodies of it more carefully. But yeah, not really sure. Not entirely sure. I mean, I don't really know. Who knows? I feel like we could get a tap up into this soon, which is not bad. Might want to record our entry if we get it, which I believe we should soon, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. Could end up just like not respecting the order block or something. Which is fucking dumb, but okay. You don't want to tap me in. The fuck's your problem? I mean, it doesn't matter in the end. We're pretty much close as fuck to getting entered right here. I'm gonna keep it. We should be getting tapped pretty much right there. Okay, we are tapped. We'll see how this plays out. I'm gonna cancel this buy order, and yeah, you got entered. Where's our take profit? I'm gonna probably just put it down here, maybe for like a 1 to 2. I thought I had like an entry. Okay, maybe not. Let's see here. So yeah, I'll update you guys with what happens with this kind of trade. I will see you. We tapped into that order block and we are displacing our way back down as of right now. Price did tap equilibrium right here and formed a little bit of a rejection wick. Respecting this 2-minute fair value gap as well as like this 3-minute and the 5-minute. It looks like we are pushing our way back down. I put my stop just to this high, this intermediate high, since it tapped into that order block. But right here, this is that one area I was expecting to have a bullish push reversal. So once we get here, I'm going to set my stops to break even, possibly even trail in a little, or maybe just close the trade if I see that price is rejecting or forming some sort of shift in structure or some shit. But yeah, I want to see price at least push down to this level where this little candle was, and we could end up just exiting the trade at that level if you want. But yeah, we'll just see what price wants to do. I gotta start respecting my rules. I really do. I'm gonna start risking just the regular 250 per risk. That's all I'm doing. I don't really care anymore. I really don't. 1% of my account. I have to just do it, man. I have to start sticking to my rules more. And I'm gonna buy TradeZella actually today. You guys know what TradeZella is? I'm gonna buy it right here. Just because I wanna input all of my previous trades, and I want to see how like my win percentage is throughout my entire career of trading the past like 6 months. I'm gonna input everything from like my journal to before I even had a strategy and stuff like that. But yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do. Overall though, what am I thinking? Probably just gonna put my stop to break even right now. What are we up? 235. Once we get down to this level, like the 3-minute, I want to see some form of price action. See if we want to just keep going lower or higher or whatever. But yeah. We're about to go and tap into that level. See if we respect this breaker. See what happens if we respect this breaker. Trailing my stop loss a little. And profits. Seeing what price wants to do. This is the kind of trading I like, you know, it's like, it's clear. It's more concise. You watch out for the different things. Alright, we're tapped into this breaker. See what price wants to do. We want to continue going down. Let's see. Going on in time frames. Let's see here. See what price wants to do. If you want to keep respecting, going lower or higher. Looks like we were going and disrespecting that breaker, which is good. Price is continuing to push lower. Okay, let's see. Trail my stop loss. Looks like price is pushing lower and lower. I'm gonna exit out right there. I don't care if we go down to my target. I'm just gonna exit it out. We could probably end up tapping, right? But I'm exiting out prematurely for some profit on the day. Probably will go down and continue, right? Yeah, I mean, it's probably guaranteed. The fear, though. You know, I really got to get over this fear. There we go. TP's hit. Okie dokie. That's it for the trading today, guys. I do like that trade. Could have held. Should have held. That was a mistake. The fear, man. The fear is getting. I really just need practice. I need to backtest more. I need to do all these things. And that first trade I took was a damp ass trade right here. Usually around 10:30. Yeah, usually around 10:30 and such. But yeah, that's it for the day, guys. So this trade has been hit. Pushing back down, continuing. Probably going to go ahead and hit that order block. 4-hour. Sell side liquidity. Stuff like that. I mean, I already knew price was going to go down. You know, we needed a retracement. I just fucked up this morning. Trying to catch some sort of London high manipulation move to then drop down. It was dumb, and there was equal buy side, you know, resting above here, which was also kind of dumb. I didn't even notice this, but it technically is. It would have been a solid profit target, but didn't make sense. So this is definitely a Judas swing. Boom, boom, Judas swing, down and then up. sweeping out everybody trying to go short. Then we make the real move. So, all right. Anyways, thank you guys. Yeah, appreciate it.